How to upload video on Terabox and earn money. I'm going to show you how you can easily upload videos on Terabox and earn money. First, get the Terabox app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in. Then open the app and navigate to the upload section. Next, select the video file from your device. Click on the upload button to start the process. Choose an earning plan like Earn Money by sharing file links. For every new user who signs up through your link, you can earn up to $0.5 or share your videos and earn up to $2.9 for every 1,000 views. Once uploaded, share the video link on social media, blogs, or other platforms to maximize views. Then, use the Terabox dashboard to monitor your earnings and video performance. When you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer.